I subscribe to a number of newsletters, listen to podcasts, follow news sites, watch YouTube videos, and participate in Facebook groups. There are a large number of these WordPress resources and communities available online. Each of them provides valuable ways to keep up with what's happening with WordPress, share knowledge, and help each other. Hi, I'm David McCann for WebTNG. In this video, I'm listing some of the online resources and groups I use, and some that I've created, in case there's something that you might find interesting and useful. The first of these is the WordPress Tavern website. It's been a good source to learn about WordPress news for a number of years. The two main contributors are Sarah Gooding and Justin Tadlock. They are both employees of Audrey Capital, an investment firm founded by Matt Mullenweg, the co-founder of WordPress. They write about events, new plugins and themes, changes coming to WordPress core, and other topics relevant to the WordPress community. Justin Tadlock is a longtime developer who has authored many themes and plugins, and he brings an interesting developer perspective. Here you can see the types of topics they write about: the state of CSS 2020 survey, the Gutenberg 9.5 plugin, a new plugin that adds Google-style dot commenting to Gutenberg blocks, and a new block-based theme. So there's a wide variety of content available here that's helpful in keeping up with what's happening with WordPress. The next one is also a news resource. It's called This Week in WordPress, and it's a unique and engaging weekly review of WordPress news that's streamed each Monday morning. It's hosted by Nathan Wrigley, and it's a lively video discussion of WordPress products, people, and events. Each week, Nathan and 3 guest panelists share their take on what's happening in WordPress. You can listen to the live stream or replay the recording on the WP Builds YouTube channel or on Facebook through the WP Builds Facebook group. The next one is a good resource for tutorials. It's the Kinsta Blog. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider, and while some of the articles explain or promote their services, most of them are valuable to the general WordPress community. These tutorials span the range from beginner to an intermediate level. So here, for example, how to speed up your WordPress site, email typography, what's new in WordPress 5.6, how to change your WordPress home page, how to quickly fix WordPress mixed content, SSL warnings, and other articles across a wide variety of topics. The next resource is a Facebook group called Martechwise. It's a place where people discuss marketing tools and tech-related lifetime deals and SaaS apps. Martech is a large group that was founded by Donald Chan, and it has around 7,900 members. With this many people, you're bound to find someone who's tried or knows about a product, and the discussions are often very insightful. There can occasionally be some drama, as members are sometimes strongly opinionated, but the moderators generally do a good job of balancing free discussion while maintaining civility. Occasionally, businesses get permission to offer deals in the group, and a nice thing about this is that the group doesn't take a cut or any portion of the sales, so the offering helps to support the product founders. The next resource is the Null Media YouTube channel. It's the work of Nelson Therian, a longtime WordPress professional and trainer who is versed in both programming and design. He doesn't make a lot of videos, but the thing I like about his videos is that they take an in-depth approach and they address the questions that people are asking. For example, he did a video comparing SEOPress Pro with RankMath Pro, and another one comparing WP Vivid Pro versus the free version. Nelson often hangs out in the Press Dev Facebook group, where he discusses the pros and cons of themes, page builders, and other WordPress tools. Next, for a few page builder specific resources. On Facebook, there's the WordPress Gutenberg Community. It's a great place to discuss and get help with all things related to Gutenberg. The group is run by Munir Kamal, who is the author of the Editor Plus add-on for Gutenberg, something that I recently reviewed. Munir is a very knowledgeable and friendly Gutenberg expert. He stays on top of all the Gutenberg news and shares it in the group. He He also runs the Gutenberg Hub website, where there are a large number of pre-designed blocks and templates, as well as other Gutenberg resources. If you're into Oxygen, then the WPDevDesign website might be of interest. It's a membership site with a focus on the Oxygen builder. There are both free and member-only tutorials, and there are a very large number available. The site was created by Sridhar Kadakam of Genesis fame, who has now turned his teaching and technical skills to providing Oxygen training. Sridhar also has a Facebook group by the same name, WPDevDesign, and although that group has an Oxygen focus, there are also shares and discussions of general web and WordPress development and design topics. For Beaver Builder users, there's the Beaver Junction website. This hosts an unusual and very unique project that's the brainchild of David Wormsley. The idea is, rather than create another add-on pack of Beaver Builder modules, David combines a small plugin, Beaver Builder templates, and some HTML, CSS, and perhaps JavaScript to create simple modular equivalents using the Beaver Builder template system. The advantage of this approach is that these add-ons are both lightweight and free, and in many cases provide similar layout and design options that are usually found in paid solutions. Here are some of the ones that have already been created and that are available. Separators, headings, hover effects for images, sticky columns, bullet point lists, clickable columns, and so on. Another resource that is page builder specific is the Elementor 360 website. If you haven't seen much Elementor content on the WebTNG website or YouTube channel, it's because I've been creating it and posting it on Elementor 360. This is my website that hosts a number of Elementor tutorials, walkthroughs, and reviews. Elementor 360 includes a resource listing, a news section, and a monthly newsletter. There's also a corresponding Elementor 360 YouTube channel for those who prefer to watch rather than read. Another Facebook group is a new one that I've just launched called Dynamic WordPress. It has a focus on themes, page builders, and working with dynamic data, including custom post types, custom fields, and related topics and tools. Many of the kinds of things that I've created videos for on this YouTube channel. This next resource is not WordPress specific, but it's a great site for WordPress site builders. It's called the Pro Toolbox, and it's put together by Devinder Singh Kant. It currently has more than 150 online tools. Each week, several more are added. The tools are organized in terms of downloads, illustrations, image tools, SVG collections, website tools, email backgrounds, and font tools. As you can see, there are quite a few items in the list. Free avatar, illustrations, a number of icons, a pattern library, curved page dividers, browser frames for putting screenshots in, a shade generator, frames to make images look like book covers, a tool to make your code display in a neat manner, some email templates, email designs, a mail checker to check the emails on your mailing list, and many more online tools. So wrapping up, there are many resources available for WordPress site builders. I've listed my favorites. I encourage you to check out these websites and YouTube channels, and if you're on Facebook, to join and check out these Facebook groups. If there's some high-quality sites or groups that you know of that I didn't include, please drop a comment below and share them. So that's it for my list of favorite WordPress online resources. There's a text version of this video available on the WebTNG website, along with other tutorials, walkthroughs, and resources. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.